how this message is getting here is Ol'Aimerri Media, of which we are so focused in our stories, we are focused in our music, and we are focused in our wisdom. So what is it about what? Yes, I am here to let you know that you are a voice. You are a leg to help someone get somewhere. You are a hand to help someone, rise up. You are also a blessing. Yes. And in as much as you can find that which today will make you be an angel to someone else, so let it be. Again, this is to catch up and help you know that we are still there, and you can get more about Maasai culture, Maasai language, Maasai music from this channel. My name is Teto Oletutu.